Awarded the best in the month of January, February, March, and also April.
For the January winners, we have a rugby 7-star Patrick Odongo. Very congratulations. And then also, SJAK Classic cross-country champions. Immaculate Ayango is for the February winners. Congratulations. And also, is very familiar sport. She's in tennis right now, right? And then I believe she's broke the record for now. So I think she, getting 4th time of our sponsor winningships. Tennis superstar Angela Okutoni. Congratulations. And then last not least, the marathoner, Paris Chepchirchil. And those 4 people are very winners.
And we hope to grow bigger with you. So I can say this year has been very, very tough, the competition. As you see, from January to April, we are awarding all the 4 winners at once. The competition has been very tough, and I would like to laud our committee, the panel of selectors, for selecting these stars.
So yes, kudos to all the winners who were outstanding in the month of January, February, March, and also April. I had a conversation with none other than Paris Chepchirchir. You know, for her, as much as she's the world record holder, she's optimistic and she wants to win a very, very important gold medal when it comes to Olympics. Also, Immaculate Tatiambo on her side, she was very, very instrumental during the Sirikwa Classic. Now she's confident and trying as much as possible to get the Paris ticket. And she says that during the trials, she'll try as much as possible to outdo the other runners. And also, Angela Okutoi in absentia, but the grandmother is saying that I have struggled, I've tried as much as possible to make this lady be who she is today. And she's saying kudos, and she will continue to try as much as possible and get those victories. And then the elder brother of Patrick Odongo, who was also not around, saying that he is confident, optimistic, that the Kenyans will continue to star. If you think about rugby, then we will be able to go back and play with the big wigs. First, we begin with Paris Chepchirchir. So, Paris, niambie, nafurahi sana kukuona. I know we've interacted a number of times. This time, watu wamerecognize what you're able to do in London. How was it to set that world record?
For me, I say that it's good. Sikuwa na expect kuwin na kukimbia record. I know the team there was stronger, and we were having their record holders, former record holders. I know it was not easy, but for me, I trained good. Like last year, I canceled New York because I get pull of the muscles. So we decided with my manager to stop it because this was the year of the Olympic, and we were planning good for this year, and we were praying God for good to participate in Olympics. So I decided to quit out of New York, but I thank God I didn't lose. But yeah, I came back again. Yeah.
London, at least you have the world record. Olympics is coming. Yeah. And a lot of Kenyans are talking and saying, Paris for the Olympics. Paris, gold medal in kuja nyumbani.
Yeah, I know it will come home. Not even one medal. I think the team is stronger for Kenya team. I believe in Obiri. I believe in Bridget Koskei. And I know if God willing, we will swipe the medals. I know it. And I have beliefs and I have hope in God. So long as we are in a good shape, good health, we will make it. Yeah.
What will be your word to the young girl, young boy out there that maybe wamelalia their talent, they don't know how well to be able to utilize their talent, but they have something good that they can be able to bring to the table?
Neza kuambia that let her follow our steps and see where we come from. Tulitoka mbali, tulianza zero, but I urge them to see us where we are now, and let's first of all to love themselves and believe themselves. They will do a great things. Especially for me, I love myself first, and I believe myself. Yes, that's why you see I end up progressing in my life. Yeah.
Not able to let your trophy. I know you've always been with your daughter. Maybe is this a world beater to come in the years to come?
Yeah, Natalia have motivated me so much. When I gave birth to Natalia, And I started to work extra hard, knowing there's someone who depending on me. And Natalia loves running. And I remember last year when I canceled New York, we were there in New York with my family. And the time Tasha, the daughter of Obiri, when Obiri won the race, and then Tasha came and told Natalia, we are not going back home, we are going to watch a game because my mom won. Natalia cried a lot. He told me, Mom, why didn't you run so that we would be there watching also for us football? And I feel touched. And I feel touched, and I say that let me work extra hard for my daughter Natalia, because they usually say my mom is usually a winner, yeah. But I love Natalia because when I was start last year in London, he was telling me, people when they speaking, mtoto anasikia, he was telling me, Mama, umejaribu sana, najua ulikuwa na injury, to be number 3 it was not easy. Jua anasikia watu wakisema hivyo, but unajua watoto wanatupea moral na motisha, now and then they were happy. Wakiwa huko wanasikia mama wakiongelewa vizuri, wanakuwa na furaha sana, and they usually motivate us.
I remember 2020 nilikuwa kwako. She was still a very very young girl, but alikataa kulala because alisema lazima amke na wewe kutrain. Is that something that she continues to do?
Yeah, I used to, especially on weekends, Saturday when I'm going to long run. Even when I was preparing for London, we go together with Natalia 40 kilometers, and they usually wake up at 4. We go together. He usually told me, Mommy, don't leave me because I know you are going long run. Natalia knows that every weekend we are going for long run. So I usually wake Natalia up so that if I go without Natalia, when I come back, he cry a lot. So I usually wake up Natalia. But I used to tell her, Mama, we are going long run. Are you going? He say no or say yes. Yeah.
And maybe she'll be an instrumental person as you strive to get that medal for the Olympics.
Yeah, of course, he's supporting, and encouraging me a lot. I love Natalia so much with my family because they are praying for me, and they are speaking positive things towards me, and they believe on me, praying for me.
Niambie, Sireko Classic ukaenda kuonyesha that pia wewe unafaa utambulike na at least you are able to win it at home. Ilikuwa vipi pale hivyo Sirikwa, na unajihisi vipi kuwa mshindi wa that month?
Wow, nikiwa Sirikwa, sikukuwa na expect anything, the pressure were there. Like unajua sisi tulikuwa tumetoka Valencia, sasa kila mtu anataka kuona the second woman au itaendaje. Yeah, so ilikuwa na pressure. So my mom at least alikuwa hapo, so nilikuwa nasema mamangu ametoka mweka nyumbani na amekuja kuniona, but at least let me work hard. But si kusema ati nitawin. Yeah, nilikuwa tu nataka ningangane nikuwe top 3 hapo at least. Yeah, lakini nilingangana, ingawa unajua pressure watu ni mingi. Yeah, unajua hivi vitu inastahili unangangana. Na mimi ninajimotivate na vitu mingi sana. Always siangalii niko haje, siangalii inaendaje. Unajua ukisema kila kitu inawezekana, let me tell you. So mimi I always najipea moral kwa kila kitu, na hiyo huwa nikiambia Mungu, kama fulani anaweza, mbona mimi nisiweze? So mimi nashukuru, hata at least nikiwa hata hiyo number 3 naridhika nayo, na kesho naona Mungu akinijalia mengine. Yeah, so I'm really happy. I'm so happy, sijui niseme nini.
Saizi unajipanga for what? What is your biggest dream? Miezi ikiendelea kusonga na mwaka ikiendelea kusonga.
Wow, my dream now at least nikimbie hata mimi nionekane, nikuwe at least mahali fulani. Ya dream yangu isiwe bure. At least hata in my future niwe na history kuambia watoto wangu kitu hata mimi nilikuwa nangangana hivi na hivi. Yeah.
Una plan kukimbia race gani next?
I'm planning for trials ya Paris. Yeah. In God's willing, naomba Mungu anijalie at least nikiwa top 3. I will thank God. Yeah.
Thank you very much and all the best. Kevin, niambie, your brother, I know ako out doing some duty for the country. Now, a lot of people are waiting to see how well he'll be able to star. I know already tumemwaward kama Sports Journalists Association of Kenya. This is the second time. Na anaonyesha matumaini. In your own assessment, in your own take, how is Patrick na anajiandaa vipi?
Well, I can say right now he's fully focused. Last month he had an injury. That's why he never went for the Uruguay leg. But right now he has fully recovered. And also, besides that one, najua kulikuwa na some family challenges, but now everything is over. So he's fully focused on the team. And he told me this leg, he's sure he's going to give his best performance for this year. Yeah.
I know you follow rugby. Kenya na prospect zake za kurudi kwa among the top tier teams. Unaona wanafanya vipi na matokeo yao unaweza sema in general imekuwa vipi?
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, I can say we are at 8. We only have one leg left in Germany, of which, as long as you're in top 4, we are in for the final playoff in Madrid. And we just hope for a win against the bottom place team in the HSBC. And hopefully, let's say we will be back in the HSBC circuit this year. Yeah.
Coach Bling amechange sana hii team. You'll agree?
Yeah, I'll definitely agree with that one. I can see we have new blood in the team. Actually, 70 to 80% of the team right now ni rookies ndo wako pale. Na hawa vijana wako na njaa. Yeah, I can say that I think the coach has changed even the mentality of the team from the gameplay. Sasa tuna focus more on tactical approach kuliko ile the previous game style that we used to have. Yeah.
So nikubalie nikuite mom na at the same time nikuite grandmom kwa sababu you have played a very, very vital role for our sister, daughter, Angela Okutoyi and what she's been able to achieve. In your own assessment, unasema unapokeaje tuzo on her behalf na mikakati yake na mipangilio yake unasema na hivi sasa yako vipi?
Nikipokea hichi kipawa cha Angela napokea na furaha kubwa ambapo hatukuwa tunatarajia siku moja mimi kama grandmother nitakuwa nasimama kwa niaba ya watoto wangu, those grandchildren of mine. Na kwa mipangilio yake kwa saa hizi anajikakamua na tunamuombea because hata saa ya anang'ang'ana aone kama atapata hizo point na yote tunamwachia Mungu atamshindania kwa kiwanja. Yes.
Unaweza sema safari ya Angela imekuwa vipi? Najua haijakuwa rahisi kwa sababu mmekuwa story zenu tunajua mmekuwa na changamoto nyingi sana tuseme. Lakini unaweza sema safari yake imekuwa vipi kutoka hizo changamoto ambazo mlikuwa mnapitia na hivi sasa she's an African champion na hopefully atakuja kuwa world champion.
Safari yetu kutoka utotoni wa Angela imekuwa mrefu sana. Tangu mama yake afariki akifanywa operation kaaga, I took the chance kuanza kulea watoto. Watoto nimewalea na maziwa. Na ni kazi ngumu sana. Tumepitia magumu, tukule, tusikule. Walipofika hiyo miaka ya kucheza, walienda kiwanjani, wakule, wasikule, wameenda. We take water, we drink, we sleep. Kesho nimewapeleka. Iwe Parkland, iwe wapi, mimi nitatembea mguu, lazima nihakikishe wameenda. So hiyo safari imekuwa ngumu na najua Angela anaenda mbali. Yes.